Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with how to get your home ready to sell. For starters, look to a well-qualified realtor for the best advice on how to sell your home. Find one early, ideally 6 to 12 months before you're ready to sell. I can make recommendations if you need them. Once you've chosen a realtor relationship you trust, here's some things you can do as a homeowner to streamline the process. From this graphic, you can see that the biggest homeowner mistakes are overpricing and limited showing availability. But for cluttered space at 32%, I've got you covered. So much so that I've done a 10-part video series on how to downsize your home. I also advise starting as early as possible for downsizing. Why? 2 words: hazardous waste. Don't miss the free drop-off. So click on this link for help on how to solve this big mistake that home sellers make: cluttered space. So what's left that you can take control of? Here are 10 things. Number 1, depersonalize. The best way to do this is to hire a professional stager, which I recommend in step 7 of my downsizing tips. If you must save on this cost, at least understand their essential objective. Stagers transform your home into a product for the marketplace. In every space in your home, look at what feels most unique and personal to you and remove it. What makes you feel welcome will make your potential buyer feel unwelcome. 2, curb appeal. Your home's first impression begins before your potential home buyer steps foot inside. Be sure that the lawn and landscaping are kept trim and inviting. 3, a good entrance. While the outside represents the true first impression, the entrance represents the first impression of the inside of the home. It must feel open, bright, and inviting. 4, the kitchen. Next up is the heart of the home. The kitchen absolutely must feel open and comfortable. Clear the counters of everything but everyday appliances like the coffee maker and toaster. There also seems to be something magical about a bowl of green apples in the middle of the kitchen island. 5, living room and family room. Declutter this so that you can show this. 6, the bedroom. The goal must be a peaceful sanctuary. Get rid of the home office or treadmill in the bedroom. Fast track to peaceful sanctuary with all white and puffy. 7, paint. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders. But it can get rather costly to paint every room. Remember the depersonalize rule. The most unique colors, like these, should probably be painted over first. Grays tend to be favored by millennials, but you can really never go wrong with linen white. Number 8, clean house. It's particularly important to depersonalize and clean the bathrooms. But every room will be significantly more sellable when it is clean. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser can be your best friend with unsightly scuff marks. And did you know that you can make a quick fix with nicks with toothpaste? Number 9, nice smell. Related to cleaning is having a nice smell. It's easy to get comfortable with familiar smells in your home, which are not so comfortable for a potential buyer in a product for the marketplace. A pleasant smell has a powerful effect. On top of the clean smell, you can't go wrong with the smell of fresh baked cookies. Number 10, major repairs. This one may be a rude awakening after fresh baked cookies, but here's the deal. If there are cracks in the foundation or the roof needs a repair, it's better to address these repairs before the sale than have the buyer ask for a credit at closing to cover the cost of the repair later. That way you have more control over who does the repair and the total cost. The bottom line is, forget what you've learned to live with. Get honest with the familiar flaws in your home and convert it into a fresh new space. You want to create a welcoming blank page for somebody else to write their new chapter on. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.